So guys, I'm in Kisumu. So yeah. What's up? We're in Kisumu. Kisumu. And okay, tunakula mananasi hapa Kisumu. Hiyo. So guys, I took a bicycle. I had to take a bicycle in Kisumu because I love doing border bicycle. Yes, and very convenient. Change so much. I can see the change also in the garden. Kenyatta Garden, really. Kenyatta Sport Ground. Yeah, it has already changed. Karibu Dala. I can see Nyama Choma. A place of Nyama Choma. Yeah. It's called K-City. K-City, so it means Kisumu City.
It means Kisumu City.
Yeah. Hiyo siki iko set gani? Iko pale tu.
Yes, it ndio hii.
Yeah. Nishapiga macho. Yeah, so we're going to have a lunch at K-City, Kisumu City. Hello. Sanji. Yeah. So guys, I'm having my lunch. You guys great. Kuta pasta. Kafanya ni amala siambani. So guys, I'm having my lunch. This is what I'm having for lunch.
Amekuletea soup, si ndio? Sawa. Amekuletea shit, wacha akuletea shit kwanza. Sasa nipa bila shit. Ni wewe.
Macam kutaramuka lake. Sunda. Kevo. Najua hata mimi nilikuwa chakara pia. So anza kufikiria kutoka. Sasa anza kufikiria. Sikia mtandao kupeleka shule enda. Na home. Home wapi? Kakamega kokota hadi huku unakuja kufanya. Kuja hustle. Kama Kakamega kumekuwa kubaya. Hata mimi kwetu ni Kakamega. Nimesomea Must. So we are heading at the church. We are going to look for the church. So to have a nice one in Kisumu. Kisumu has changed. Kisumu is developing. You can see the roads. Even there is no more cars here, and they have already managed like to put like pavement for people to use. Is that sweet? Kuna msanii mwana mzungu anapenda kutumia hizi nini GoPro. Kwa video zake zote za YouTube anapenda kutumia GoPro. One thing I've seen in Kisumu. Kisumu women are beautiful and curvy. Hadi hapa. Vizuri. Anashikana mikono. Wanaume walianza kushikana mikono. Wow. Look at this apartment. So this is where rich people hide in Kisumu. I remember Jalama saying something about that, so maybe I'll go to Milimani down there and see one of it. So this is where rich people hide in Kisumu, and as you can see Indians. Yes, this means this place, people live here, they pay a lot. In Catholic. Yeah. So this is Catholic. So we are first Catholic. Guys, so this is where my BNB is. The hotel I will be sleeping in Kisumu. This is it is a busy city, so I'll be staying my night here. They are so friendly. I may recommend people to come here. It's good. It is odd-like, but it's perfect place for you to sleep. They have good beds. They have good places to stay. So, yeah, guys, you won't believe what I can see. Wow. Now, that is Lake Victoria. I can feel the breeze of the lake out of this hotel that we paid to stay in here. You can see the lake. So I'm going to have a nice one here, outside here. And I hope I was hoping to get a sunset, but on the lake. But today the cloud is not giving me a sun. It is too foggy. It is too foggy today. Oh man, Kisumu is beautiful. It is an old city, an old town, and yeah. Now I wish I could see a lot. So guys, keep luck, and don't forget to subscribe on this channel. I'll see you.